Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mabra Hussain and I'm here for this Sunday tea. Obviously, the basic one first कि हर किसी को अपनी education को prioritize करना चाहिए, लड़का हो या लड़की हो, because it's just it's not even about whether you'd grow up to work or not. It's basically just about educating yourself, grooming yourself, evolving. I feel like लाइफ में हम आते ही इसलिए हैं कि हम लोग विद एवरी ईयर इवॉल्व कर सकें एंड चेंज इनटू समथिंग वी आर इवेंचुअली सपोज्ड टू बिकम. So I think for that purpose education is very, very important. And also because of one thing that my parents have taught us is that it's very, very important for a girl, now that you've specifically asked me for girls education. मुझे लगता है कि because of what my parents taught me and how they raised us कि लड़कियों के लिए financially independent होना is very, very important. It's good for the person, it's good for the family. I also feel that it makes you a strong, powerful person to be able to raise strong, independent humans later. So I think it बहुत ही important है. And the next project that I'm working on is also to do with education. So I think that will kind of also help people understand the importance of education. Oh, this one. There's this project that I'm starting to shoot in Kashmir next month, and it is a very, very beautiful love story, but it also really focuses on this social issue that how children aren't able to or sometimes like the parents don't educate their children, and how it's just so important, and the kind of difference it'll bring to the country eventually अगर आपकी सारी generations educate हो रही होंगी. So वो I think कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इस बारे में बात हमेशा करते हैं कि education बहुत important है, लेकिन that project is going to kind of pave the way. It's going to give you solutions on how to solve these problems and not just say कि educate yourself. It's going to give you like practical solutions, inshallah. Okay, well, it's a very long quote, but I have it saved like 100 times in my phone also. हाँ, I found it. Are we rolling? ए इब्ने आदम, एक तेरी चाहत है और एक मेरी चाहत है. ये सबने सुना हुआ होगा. पर होगा वही जो मेरी चाहत है. बस अगर तूने अपने आप को सुपुर्द कर दिया उसके जो मेरी चाहत है, तो मैं बख्श दूंगा तुझको भी वो जो तेरी चाहत है. पर अगर तूने नाफरमानी की उसकी जो मेरी चाहत है, तो मैं थका दूंगा तुझको उसमें जो तेरी चाहत है. फिर होगा वही जो मेरी चाहत है. So I often put this as my wallpaper because there are times when you feel like nothing is going my way, and then you realize that you are not even supposed to be in charge of it. Allah Mia is in charge of it already, and there is nothing much you can do. What we can do is work hard, and be a good person. And that's all we can do. We can't really control things that happen to us or in our lives or to our loved ones. तो सबसे important life lesson जब आप बिल्कुल थक चुके हो या टूट चुके हो, वो यही है कि आप surrender कर दें, क्योंकि आप उसके अलावा आप कुछ कर सकते भी नहीं हैं. तो it's better to accept it कि हमारी power में कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा surrender करने के अलावा. And then when you surrender, you realize कि जो चीज़ आपके साथ 3 साल पहले या 2 साल पहले you were bogged down and you were thinking this is the end of your life, that actually led you to something great. And it happens and it keeps on happening, and we just need to see it. I started working when I was 13, 14. So I used to go to school and then come back and then go to academy and then go to work, and then we used to work in theater, me and my sister. So हम लोग को ना बहुत आदत थी पूरे दिन को utilize करने की. So बचपन से ही I used to tell my mom कि I just want to never waste my life. हम लोग दिन में जागते हैं और रात में सोते हैं, तो ऐसे तुम्हारी आधी जिंदगी वेस्ट हो जाएगी. So I feel like with that keeps me going अभी तक कि I'm able to start shooting at like 10 a.m. and still shoot till like 2 a.m. and then still be able to come home and study or do something more with my life because I want to, because I really want to just achieve more. I want my parents to be more proud of me and just bring whatever difference I can in my own capacity. So that वो उसकी वजह से मैं सुकून से बैठ नहीं पाती. You know, I have always been a fan of Nazia Hassan. एंड क्योंकि ममा उनके बहुत गाने सुनती थी, उनकी हमें कहानी भी सुनाती थी और सब उनके बारे में मैं बताती थी. बट व्हाट आई एज अ चाइल्ड व्हेन आई वॉच्ड हर इंटरव्यूज, व्हाट आई लव्ड मोस्ट वाज द वे शी स्पोक. एंड उससे इतना ऐसा लगता था उनसे बहुत प्यार पहुंच रहा है सबको. तो आई थिंक वो यू नो, गोइंग बैक टू व्हाट आई सेड अर्लियर कि इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सटेंड काइंडनेस एंड एक्सटेंड लव, क्योंकि उससे बहुत अभी इतने सालों बाद तक भी उनका इम्पैक्ट है. और उनका नाम आज मैं इस क्वेश्चन के लिए ले रही हूँ बिकॉज यू नो शी हैज़ दैट इम्पैक्ट ऑन मेनी जनरेशंस. So yeah, I would say Nazia Hassan for the way she carried herself and for the way she was. Best advice that my mama has given me is ba-adab ba-naseeb, be-adab be-naseeb. I say this hamesha because I feel like I can never say this enough times. क्योंकि I feel like wherever I am in life is because of this thing that my mother taught me कि आप जितना लोगों को इज़्ज़त दोगे उतना ही लोग आपको इज़्ज़त देंगे. और जो भी आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में बनना चाहते हो, it's a, you know, we live in a community, you can't grow without people. So I feel like it's very, very important to genuinely and not just do aap janab, but genuinely respect people for what they do, what they add to your life in whatever capacity. So ये मम्मा की best advice.